Do you want to turn on Firefox Dark Mode? We're here to help. I'm Ramona, and in this video, I'll teach you how to turn on Firefox Dark Mode. Let's not waste time and get started. To turn on Firefox Dark Mode, open the Firefox web browser, then click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Language and Appearance section, then select Dark. That's all it takes to turn on Firefox Dark Mode. For more useful Firefox tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Firefox tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time.